back to my channel. Here we are going to draw the top view of this object, and for the top view, so we are going to see this rectangle, all of this rectangle, and we see this circle, we see this square, and then we are going to see this rectangle, and also this will also give us a rectangle. Then this is going to give us a rectangle. So that's what we are going to have. The distance from here to here is 30 millimeters. So that's what we have there. So let's start. So what we have to do is to draw a horizontal line to separate the front elevation from the plan, or the top view from the plan. Then we take 30 millimeters down from this point. So 30 millimeters, and then we divide to 2, that's 15. So we are going to draw a horizontal line here all through this. Then we draw a center line here, a center line here through this. Okay, so we have this now, and then so this center line that we have here, so this center line, we are supposed to have a center line here for this what we have here as a rectangle in the front elevation. So we take it down like this, and also we have the same thing here. So we draw it as a center line. Okay, so we have this now. So now the next thing that we are going to do, let's get the circle drawn. Diameter is 20, so the radius is 10. So we take 10 millimeters on the ruler like this, and then we place at this point, and then we draw the circle. So with ease, so we draw the circle like this. Alright, so that's the circle. And for the square, so we take 10 millimeters, 5 millimeters to the left side. So 5 millimeters here, and 5 millimeters here. So coming up here, we take 5 millimeters down, and 5 millimeters up. Okay, so we are going to draw a horizontal line. Here we draw a vertical line. Alright, so we form the square just to make this. Alright, so that's the line. So let's make this line a thick line at once. Alright, so we have this. So we are left with what we have here. So what we are given here, for us to get this part, this line is inclined at an angle 45 degrees to the horizontal. So we are supposed to draw the end elevation first. So okay, so I will draw the end elevation together with this plan. So just let's have just 2 videos for this. So to draw the end elevation, so since we are drawing first angle projection, I need to draw this line. Okay, so and then there's something that I still need to put in the plan which I have not done. I will quickly do it before I go and do the end elevation. So as I said, that this part is going to give us a rectangle in the plan. So what we just need to do is to come here, and then so we draw a vertical line from this point on the front elevation, and also from this point on the circle in the front elevation. So the thickness as we have is 20 millimeters. It is 20 millimeters. So I have to take a measurement of 20 millimeters from this point down. This is 20 millimeters. So this line now, to draw it from here to here, so I'll make it a thick line. Okay, so and then I will need to extend it like this. So I've done that. So next, so I need to make this a thick line. So we have not completed the plan because of what we see there. So we need to draw the end elevation. So that's that. So then the next thing we are going to do is to go ahead and draw the end elevation. So I'm going to draw a vertical line here. So here I'm going to draw a vertical line, and then here I will draw a vertical line like this. Then so coming to this point, so this is the center, I will draw this as a center. Okay, then coming to this end, so we have this. So let's see what we are going to see. So I need to come here again and draw horizontal line from this point to this side, and then do the same thing here. So from this point to this side, so I have that. So now, so the shape that we are going to see, so we are going to see this rectangle. We see this as a rectangle, then we are going to see this as a rectangle. So this shape now will now bring it out and then work this out. So let's quickly look at that. So so we are drawing the left hand elevation here. So we have this rectangle here, so and it's going to be like this. So just from here, so we have this line. So this line is going to be a thick line from here down like this to this point. Okay, then we also have it from here down like this. So this line will be a thick line. Alright, so then, so this line we also need to make it a thick line like this. Alright, so then for this rectangle that I said we are going to see as part of this here, so we are going to have it, it is from here, okay, to here, and this line will be a thick line. Alright, so we have that. So other thing that we are going to have here is this shape like this, and this eye is going to be okay, so from this end we are going to have it from this end, though part of it, okay, is we are going to have it from this end though, but let's draw this because we are going to see this rectangle here first, so it will be in the middle. So let's take that. So we take 5 millimeters, so 5 millimeters to the left side and 5 millimeters to the right side. So let's get that done at once. So we draw this, so line, and then we draw this line. So then we make this line a thick line. So that rectangle has come out. Then another thing that we have here, so I need to make use of my 45 degrees set square to draw this non-isometric line, which is at angle 45 to the horizontal. So we are going to have it here on this side. So so taking my 45 degrees set square and bringing it to this point. This point we draw the line, so the line will go like this, touching this point, and then from here, so this will be a thick line like this. Okay, then this line here, so we join together with this as a thick line. Okay, so this is what we have as the left hand elevation, and we place it on the right side of the front elevation. Alright, so what I need to do here, for me to draw this part, so I have to come here. So for it to be shown in the plan, so I have to come here, then I will draw this line down. So this point that we want to locate is what made us not to complete the plan. So I also need to draw a vertical line down here. So I will also draw this vertical line here. So now, so wherever this line touch on the inclined line, so I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So I have it there. So and then, so so that means, so what we have here. So if I want to bring out the shape now, So this is it. So with this line that we drew here, so this line, okay, so it goes to the end. So it's because of this line. So that's why we stop the work on the plan. So this line is very, very important. So that's how we can locate, be able to draw this line. So let's draw the left hand elevation. So we are placing it here on the left side. Right hand elevation. We are placing it here on the left side of the front elevation, as we have the left hand elevation here now. So let's go. So what we have to do is to draw a vertical line. So from this point, so we draw a vertical line. So we draw a vertical line here. Okay. And also we also draw a vertical line from this point. Okay. So and then so coming okay, so for here, okay, so for what we have here, so we are going to draw a vertical line. I don't want the line to be too many, so I may still need to take some dimension. So so what we have here, so this line from here to here will be a thick line, and then so up here it will be a thick line, and then so I also need to draw a horizontal line. So from here, so we extend this horizontal line, and we also extend this horizontal line. Okay, so this line now, so this line from here down will be a thick line, and from here down, so it will be a thick line here. So then, so here, so this line will be a thick line. So this will be a thick line, and then we also make this line a thick line. Alright, so then with the 45-degree set square, so we come to this point and we draw this line like this. Okay, then this, we make it a thick line to this end. Okay, so we are going to create what we create here on this part. So so the midpoint, so let's draw a line for the midpoint. So this is the center, so we have to draw a vertical center line here. Okay, so here I'll be taking a measurement of 5 millimeters. So 5 millimeters to the left side and 5 to the right side. So here now I will now draw this line, making it a thick line. I'm making this also a thick line. Then I will draw this. So there's something I'm here to show in this end elevation here. So I'm going to do it here. Now, so what else do we have to show here? That is what? That is this circle. We didn't show it. And I need to take a measurement of 10 millimeters to this end, and 10 millimeters to this end from the center. So we are going to draw this as so it will be hidden. So we draw it as short dashes line like this. I will do the same thing here, and then so a part of it will be seen. And that part, so we have it like this. So these are supposed to be. So we also do the same thing here. So we take 10 millimeters to the left side and 10 millimeters to the right side from that center line. Then, so we are going to draw this, and then we draw this one. Okay. Then alright, so we have that as this is the right hand elevation, this is the left hand elevation. Alright, so these are the orthographic views of these objects as we have it here. So it's as simple as I've done it. So this is the front view, this is the top view, and we have left side view here and right side view here, It's as simple as I've done it. Thank you. Keep on practicing and God bless you.